Hey there everyone, it's Joe from Ainslie Bullion, ainslieBullion.com.au with your weekly Wednesday special offered online or over the counter at our Brisbane and Melbourne stores. You're looking at the big, the bold, the beautiful 5 kilo Ainslie Bullion cast silver bar. Ainslie Bullion logo in the top left corner, 5 kilos of beautiful pure silver, 999 plus pure silver, and silver right there in the top right hand corner. Ever held one of these in your hands? It's pretty cool. I'll just show you the other side. It's so chunky. And of course, just the other side. Nothing special about the other side or on the sides, just the silver naked as the day it was minted. Now, you're getting a discount upon a discount, really, and I'll explain that in just a second. I'll explain what the proper discounts are, but you get an inherent discount with buying 5 kilo bars of silver in the first place, because when you buy in larger sizes, the premium is lower. The premium over spot price is lower. So if you're buying really small, 1 ounce coins or bars or smaller sizes of silver, there are certainly advantages to buying in smaller sizes. The only disadvantage is you are paying a higher premium, and the advantage of buying in large bar size is you get a lower premium as well. So if you're looking for the best bang for buck, you don't care about sizes and whatever, you think you'll only ever sell back to a dealer such as Ainslie Bullion, then you want to get the most metal for your money. So buying in 5 kilo sizes, not a bad idea. Again, so that inherent discount for buying in big chunky amounts. But here's the deal for the next 24 hours. Until 4 p.m. Queensland time, you're getting an extra discount on the already sort of inherently discounted silver bar here. An extra $50 off per bar. No matter how many you buy, you don't have to buy 10 of them. You just want to buy one, you'll get $50 off per bar for the next 24 hours until 4 p.m. Queensland time for the Ainslie Bullion 5 kilo cast silver bar. That's pretty much it. You want to like this video, you want to share it with anyone who you think may want to get this deal, and of course you want to subscribe to the channel, because every single week, except for next week because that's going to be Christmas holidays, but when we come back for when the offices are open, weekly Wednesday specials, and we'll upload these videos a couple of hours before we push them out to the other socials like Facebook and Instagram and whatnot. So it pays to be the early bird just in case we have a limited amount. So you really want to hit the big red subscribe button to join us here on the YouTube channel. That's it. I'll put a link below to the specific product page for the Ainslie Bullion 5 kilo silver bars. Like, share, subscribe, and as always, thanks for choosing Ainslie.